Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can make your mobile in convenient mode on the Android mobile. You can increase the status bar font and whatever the information you show up on this status bar, and also the icon size and this text size, or even if you open the keypad, even the keypad, see here, enlarged size, overall display size is enlarged along with the status bar. I'll tell you, and this works on almost all the Android mobiles. Just for you to show the difference, see here, I'll keep this side by side. You can see the size here on the left side phone, which is nothing, and this is Motorola mobile. This is Motorola mobile. First of all, there are two ways you can achieve this. The first way is directly with the phone settings. If it is not available, if this setting is not available on your particular mobile, the second step will work for guarantee. Okay, so first of all, click on your Android phone settings and scroll down, and until you see, click on this personalize here, and here display size and text, and see here the font size I have been increasing, and the display size just now I decreased, so this is the decreased size. Okay, this is the normal where you will see everything is small and okay. And if I increase the display size, this is what makes the difference. So everything on your screen will look bigger. This will be useful for the people who want bigger and convenient display. Okay, what if this option is not available on your particular mobile? Don't worry. Okay, you need to click on Android phone settings, then scroll down and click on about phone here, about phone, then click on device identifiers here, then click on build number for 7 times, then you'll become an Android developer. Again, go to your phone settings, and here at the search, just search as developer options. Okay, developer options, not developer settings. Okay, developer options, this one, developer options. Under developer options, in the search, just search as width here, width, sorry, width. So the smallest width option will be available here, so click on the smallest width, and you need to click on the smallest width, and by default this is 433, and make it to 320. Just check like 320, and then click on OK. Now see here, if you can observe the status bar, the font has been increased, the what is this, icon size has been increased, and even if you open any keyboard just to type, even this keyboard has been increased. So please do share to the people who wants this, who want bigger text or bigger icons or bigger status bar. So yeah, this will be very useful. If you like this video, that would be a great help for me, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.